Hi everybody. In previous video, we already discussed about different types of inflorescences. Basically, in plant kingdom, inflorescences are categorized into three. What are they? Racemose inflorescence. In this, the peduncle is indefinitely growing. Pedicellate or sessile flowers are arranged acroptally on this inflorescence axis. This type of inflorescences are known as racemose inflorescence. Okay. Another one, cymose inflorescence. In this, the peduncle, the inflorescence axis is terminated with flower. Then after, new branches, either one or two or more than two branches are developed at the base of the flower. These are also terminated with single flower. This type of inflorescences are known as cymose inflorescences. And special type of inflorescence, I am already introduced three types of special inflorescence. There are Cyathium, example Euphorbiaceae family members, and Verticilliaster, Labiata family members, and another one Hypanthodium, ficus species or consist of this type of Hypanthodium inflorescence. And I am already introduced some additional information within a short video. I hope that video all members are visited. Okay. Now in this video, I want to introduce it about one of the sexual reproductive organs in the flowering plant. That one is flower. Okay. What is flower? Flower is a specialized condensed shoot. It is a specialized condensed shoot. Part is known as flower. Next one, it is meant for sexual reproduction. It is meant for sexual reproduction. This means the sexual reproduction is done in flowering plants by flowers. Okay. So, flowers are the reproductive organs in flowering plants. Okay. Next one. What are the parts of flowers? Parts of flowers. Say this. This one is the lady's finger, Benda, Ebilmuscus esculentus. Okay. This one is the flower. What are the floral parts? This one is bract. See this? This one is bract. A small leaf-like structure. This one is bract. Okay? And this one is the pedicel. This pedicel is absent flowers are known as sessile flowers. Okay, the base of the pedicel consists two small leaf-like structures. These are called bracts. Bract containing flowers are known as bractate. Okay, another green protecting floral parts are known as calyx. Okay, calyx are sepals. Another bright and white colored, attractive colored parts are known as petals or corolla. Okay. Next one. This one is the gynoecium. Anthers are present in white color. Okay. Gynoecium and also androecium are present inside the corolla. So, these are the different parts of flowers. Okay. I want to display one of the labelist diagram. Say this. About the different parts of flowers. The first one is the swollen end of the pedicel. Pedicel means flower stalk. Flower stalk. The swollen end of the pedicel where internode condensed. ఎక్కడైతే ఇంటర్నోడ్ అనేది కండెన్స్డ్ గా మారి మనకి ఒక స్వాలన్ ప్లేస్ అనేది కనిపిస్తుందో, ఒక ఉబ్బినటువంటి ప్లేస్ కనిపిస్తుందో, దాని మీద కండెన్స్డ్ ఆన్ విచ్ ద 4 different orals are arranged. What 4 different orals? The first one is calyx, green color, corolla, anther, andrecium, and gynoecium. These are the 4 parts. 4 different types of orals are arranged successively is called thalamus. Thalamus. Okay? అంటే మనకి thalamus మీద 4 different types of orals are arranged successively. This part is known as thalamus or receptacle. Thalamus or receptacle. Thalamus or receptacle. Okay? ఈ thalamus మీద 4 different calyx గాని, corollas, andrecium and gynoeciums are arranged. Okay? Arranged in oral manner successively. Okay? Another one. Calyx and corolla. So this colorful bright parts are corolla, and green protecting parts are called calyx. Both calyx and corollas are accessory organs or non-essential organs. Calyx and corollas, the outer oral is placed by calyx. Okay? Next one. Innermost of the calyx shows bright colored parts. These are corolla. Another one, gynoecium. Stigma, style, and ovary. Stigma, style, and ovary. Okay? Next one. Another parts are in place innermost of the corolla. They are called andrecium, anther filament, and anther. These are the different parts of flower. Okay. So calyx and corolla. These calyx, green colored productive part, and bright colored insect attracting floral parts, corolla, both are called accessory organs, non-essential organs. These are not involved directly in the sexual reproduction. So these are the non-essential organs or accessory organs. Okay? Next one, andrecium, anther filament. Gynoecium, stigma, style, ovary. Both andrecium and gynoeciums are the reproductory organs or essential organs. Reproductory organs and essential organs and andrecium and gynoecium. These are the main important reproductory parts in flower. The next one, a flower having both essential organs is called, essential organs are andrecium and gynoecium. Both essential organs in having a flower, that type of flowers are known as bisexual flowers. Okay? Or are hermaphrodite or bisexual or perfect flower. Perfect flower anna, hermaphrodite anna, next one bisexual flower anna okati. They are having both essential both essential reproductory organs, andrecium and gynoecium. But in some flowers, unisexual or imperfect flowers. These are having only one of the 2 essential floral organs. Suppose androecium only present in this flower. Only androecium is present in this flower. So this type of flowers are known as unisexual flower. Which type of unisexual flower? Male flower. The male flower only consists androecium. But in bisexual flower, both androecium and gynoeciums are present in the same flower. This type of flowers are known as bisexual, hermaphrodite or perfect flower. But in this, imperfect or unisexual flowers have only one of the two essential floral organs. These are known as either male flower or female flower. Male flower having only androecium. Female flower have only gynoecium. Okay, these unisexual flowers, male and female flowers are the unisexual flowers. Next one. Unisexual flowers are also known as imperfect form. Imperfect flowers. Imperfect flowers. Perfect flowers means bisexual flowers. Understand? The concept, the arrangement of floral organs around the axis of your flower is called floral symmetry. Floral symmetry. Floral symmetry are basically categorized into three. What are they? Actinomorphic, zygomorphic, and asymmetrical. Actinomorphic, zygomorphic, and asymmetrical. Discuss one by one. The first one is actinomorphic. Actinomorphic means a flower which can be divided into two equal vertical halves by any vertical plane. Suppose this one is a flower. If you cut in any vertical plane like this, in any vertical plane gives two equal halves. This type of flowers are known as actinomorphic flowers. Okay, actinomorphic flowers. This one is the actinomorphic flower because in any vertical plane gives two equal halves. Okay, this type of flowers are known as actinomorphic flower. Okay, example: mustard, datura metal, hibiscus, and also chili. These are the best example to the actinomorphic flower. Okay. Zygomorphic symmetry or zygomorphic flower. A flower which can be divided into two equal vertical halves by only one vertical plane through the central axis. Okay, this type of flowers are known as zygomorphic flower. Okay, దీన్ని ఒక డైరెక్షన్ లో కట్ చేసినప్పుడు మాత్రమే టూ ఈక్వల్ హాల్ఫ్స్ ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఒక డైరెక్షన్ లో కట్ చేసినప్పుడు మాత్రమే, సపోజ్ ఈ వెర్టికల్ ప్లాన్ లో కట్ చేసినప్పుడే ఈక్వల్ హాల్ఫ్స్ వస్తాయి, హాఫ్స్ వస్తాయి. ఈ విధంగా ఏ ఫ్లవర్ విచ్ కెన్ బి డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ టూ ఈక్వల్ వెర్టికల్ హాల్ఫ్స్ త్రూ దేర్ సెంట్రల్ యాక్సిస్ by only one vertical plane. This type of flowers are known as zygomorphic flower. Zygomorphic flower. Example, Leguminaceae family members like pea, gulmohar, next one, groundnut, Khajana's khajana. Red gram, green gram, black gram. This type of flowers are shows this type of zygomorphical symmetry. Zygomorphical symmetry. Okay. Symmetrical flowers are asymmetrical flowers. Asymmetrical. Asymmetrical flowers are a flower which cannot be divided. Okay, remember this one. Cannot be divided into two similar halves by any vertical plane through the center. This type of flowers are known as asymmetrical. Suppose Kenna, the Kenna flowers are not gives two equal halves in any direction or any vertical plane. This type of flowers are known as asymmetrical flowers. On the basis of the number of floral appendages, flowers are categorized into three. What are they? The first one is trimerous, tetramerous, and pentamerous. Okay? Trimerous, tetramerous, pentamerous. The first one is trimerous. Trimerous flowers. The trimerous flowers are how the floral appendages are either three or multiple three. Three or multiple three. Suppose calyx 3, corollas 3. Okay? Anthers 3. Carpels 3. Calyx 3, corollas 3, anthers 3. Next one, carpels are also 3. In this way, or calyx 3, corollas are 6. Okay. Next one, anthers are also 6. In this way, either 3 or multiple 3 appendages floral containing flowers are known as trimerous. Trimerous flowers. Tetramerous. Tetra means 4. This means calyx 4. Okay. Corollas 4, calyx 4, corollas 4, and anthers 4, carpels are also 4. This type of flowers are known as tetramerous. This means the floral appendages in tetramerous are either 4 or multiple 4. 4 or multiple 4. That means 8. 4 or multiple 4. This type of flowers are known as tetramerous. That means 4 or multiple 4. Multiple 4 floral organs are present in this tetramerous flowers. Pentamerous. That means calyx 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corollas are also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Calyx 5, corollas 5, and anthers either 10 or 5. Carpels, 5 or 10. And this way, in this pentamerous flowers, floral appendages are 5 or multiple 5 floral parts are present in this pentamerous flower. Okay, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one, calyx are also 5. Anthers are also 5. Carpels are also 5. In this way, 5 carpels, 5 anthers, 5 corolla, 5 calyx. Okay, ఈ విధంగా 5 నెంబర్ కానీ లేకపోతే calyx 5, corollas 10, anthers 10, carpels 5. ఈ విధంగా ఉన్నా కూడా మనం ఆ ఫ్లవర్స్ ఏమంటారంటే పెంటామేరస్ ఫ్లవర్స్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటాం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, లేడీ ఫింగర్, hibiscus. Okay, see this. How many corollas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this type of flowers are known as pentamerous flowers. And the axil of the flower may develop a small leaf-like structure. This one is the axil of a flower. The leaf, okay, and main stem. Leaf, this one is the main stem and the leaf. In between portion is known as axil. In the axil, see this, in the axil of the flower may develops a small leaf-like structure. See this, small leaf-like structure. This one is a one, another one, this. Okay, 2. A small leaf-like structures are present at the base of the floral stalk, flower stalk. Okay, this means peduncle. Okay. These small leaf-like structures are known as bract. The bract containing flowers are known as bractate. Flower ki bract unte emantam bractate. Flower ki stalk unte pedicellate. Stalk lekapothe sessile. Flower ki bract unte ఆ ఫ్లవర్ ని ఏమంటామంటే బ్రాక్టేట్, సింబాలికల్లీ బిఆర్. ఓకే, బ్రాక్ట్ లేదనుకోండి, if this bract is absent, the type of flowers are known as abractate. EBR, abractate. Okay, flower with bract is known as bractate, without bract is known as abractate. Bractate flowers, abractate flowers. Based on the position of calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, the flower are 3 categories, mainly 3 types. What are they? The first one is hypogynous flower, perigynous flower, and epigynous flower. Okay, the first one is hypogynous, perigynous, epigynous. These type of flowers are mainly based on the position of calyx, position of corolla, position of androecium, position of gynoecium. Okay, on the basis of the position of calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium, the flowers are mainly categorized into 3 types. What are they? Hypogynous, perigynous, and epigynous. The first one is hypogynous flower. Hypogynous flower. In this hypogynous flower, the gynoecium, that means the gynoecium is occupying the highest position. This one is the floral axis. This one is the gynoecium. The gynoecium occupy higher position. Ovary, style and stigma. Okay, this one is the gynoecium. Okay, the gynoecium occupy higher position. The remaining floral parts are situated below it, like calyx are produced below the gynoecium, and corollas are also below the gynoecium, and androecium is also situated below the gynoecium. This type of flowers are known as hypogynous flower. But on the basis of the ovary position wise, these flowers are known as superior ovary flowers. Superior. Position of the ovary is superior ovary. Okay. Based on the position of calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, these flowers are known as hypogynous flowers. That means the gynoecium is higher position on the thalamus, and the remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla, androeciums are below the gynoecium, situated below the gynoecium. This type of flowers are known as hypogynous flowers. Example, brinjal, mustard and also China rose. China rose. Perigynous. In this perigynous flower, the gynoecium is situated, this one is the thalamus of flower. Okay, thalamus of the flower. In this perigynous flower, gynoecium is situated in the center, with other floral parts are located on the rib of the cup-shaped thalamus. And this, the gynoecium is arranged. Sorry, the sketches are not. This one is the ovary, style and stigma. Okay, and this way the gynoecium is arranged in the cup-shaped thalamus. This one is the rib of the gynoecium. That means the remaining other floral parts are located on the rib of the cup-shaped thalamus. Cup-shaped thalamus. That means the calyx are present on the rib of the gynoecium, and corollas are also situated in the middle, and androecium are also situated in this. Okay, this type of flowers are known as perigynous flower. Perigynous flower. Okay, in this the ovary is described as of superior or of inferior. Of superior or of inferior. But in hypogynous flower, ovary is superior. But in perigynous flower, ovary is of superior or of inferior ovary. Of inferior ovary. Example, rosa, peach and also plum. These are the perigynous flower based on the position of calyx, corolla, gynoecium and androecium. The last one is epigynous flower. Okay, in this epigynous flower, the gynoecium is situated. Gynoecium. This means that the thalamus is cup in their shape, cup-shaped. And this cup-shaped thalamus is present. In this cup-shaped thalamus, deep cup-shaped thalamus, the gynoecium is arranged. The gynoecium is arranged in the deep cup-shaped thalamus. Okay, deep cup-shaped thalamus. Okay, the wall of the ovary and the thalamus are both are fused with one another. The wall of the ovary and the wall of the thalamus both are fused with one another. Okay, and forms a deep cup-shaped thalamus. Deep cup-shaped thalamus. The other floral parts are located above the ovary. In this, the mid rib of the ovary. In this, below the ovary. The floral parts like androecium and corolla, calyx are situated below the gynoecium. And this rib of the gynoecium. And this above the gynoecium. Okay, above the gynoecium, the remaining floral parts like androecium, corolla, and calyx. Corolla and calyx are located above the ovary. The ovary is said to be inferior ovary. Inferior ovary. Okay. Example, sunflower. You know already, sunflower, florets. Another one, cucumber, pumpkin. Okay. Another one, Sedum gujuva, guava, jama. These are flowers are, and this Sedum gujuva and pumpkin and also sunflower florets are the ovary is present in the cup-shaped thalamus. The remaining floral parts are arranged above the ovary. Above the ovary. So, in this type of flower, ovary is inferior ovary. Ovary is inferior. In this ovary is superior. In this ovary is of superior or of inferior. Okay. These are the examples of epigynous flower. These are the different types of flowers on the basis of the arrangement of floral appendages, on the basis of their symmetry, on the basis of the position of calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Okay. In our next class, briefly discuss about one by one of the floral parts like calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Okay. Thanks for watching.